So here we are in the last phase. I've already set up these 2 hives. I took these top supers full of bees, put it on an empty large super on the bottom. Okay, in both cases. So these bees are getting habituated now into their new hive. Here's an empty deep, and I'm going to be moving these bees over here into that. So here we go. I'm just going to pick this up. Carry it over. Place it carefully on top. You can see there's plenty of bees down in there, enough to get a new hive started. And then this top, which I had brought over, simply goes on top of the hive. So there we have the start of 3 new hives. What a story. Tomorrow I pick up the queens, and maybe I'll just tag everything on together. So there'll be a little lapse of a day between when I film this and when I post it. Okay.